Hi, this is my story. When I was young, I also dreamed to becoming a full-time missionary. But time passes by, gradually lost the fire in me. As I grew older, I thought I found a more entertaining and thrilling world one touch away. More likely, I, as Beleric in ML, or a sniper main in COD, until I found myself.
Nagising ang airpot mo at hindi niya alam na nandito ko sa kwarto mo.
Oh, masaya ko bro. Uy, ano ba yan? Ayusin nyo. Lalag pa ako. Bad trip naman. Sobrang lag. Lag. Natalo naman to. Ang lag pa. Sobra. Uy, FSY? Ano to?
Oo, FSY. 5 days yan. Sama ka dyan, ha?
May cellphone ba doon? Pwede ba cellphone doon?
Siyempre, bawal. FSY yun, eh.
Ayoko na. Wala naman pala cellphone. Kakain na lang ako. Bahala kayo.
Ito naman, no?
Hey, brother. Check nyo na po ba si brother, sir? Check ka pa lang, enter. Sabi ko, punta na lang. Sabi ko, all the way na tayo.
Oh, Elder.
Sister.
Pasok po kayo. Seth, may bisita ka, Seth.
Sino yan? Brother Seth.
Yes,
So, tingnan na kanina.
Dito na kaya agad?
Oo.
Ayun, di
Wala
pa ako
akong choice,
dito
dito
na
na
kami. Kalat dito. Yung po kayo dito.
Ako lang yung brother.
Kalat. Yes, elder. Nakakaya. Ba't para kayo dito? Hindi ko lang narinig.
Brother, kasama ko po ba sa FSY?
Hindi ko pa po alam yung pinag-iisipan ko.
Oo, Brother Seth, alam niyo po ba, ang FSY, maraming na ituturo sa mga kabataan. Sa mga youth na yan,
Pinag-iisipan ko pa po.
tuloy po ba? Sige, pero okay pa naman po yung yung registration. Brother Seth. Pwede pa po kayo makahabol.
Try ko po.
Saan namin yun, Brother Seth?
He knows right where you are when the waves are crashing and your burdens drag you down. He is waiting there.
One eternity later.
Booking na naman ako. Kain na ano. Gugutom na ako. Kumakain. Pwede makain dito. Pagkain. Cellphone na muna ako. Tawag na lang ako dito. Ano to? Link ko ah. Ano to? Sa FSY. Registration. Register na ba?
Masaya ba talaga ito? Paano naman kaya ito magiging life-changing? Basta. Re-register na lang muna ako. Wala namang mawawala.
Register na nga ako. Okay na to. Ano pa akong gagawin dito?
Who would imagine that this very moment would change everything? Weeks passed by. Hindi talaga nila ako tinatantanan. Naka-Facebook, Messenger, o kahit sa bahay man. O kahit mapadaan lang ako or makasulubong ka lang sila sa daan. Ayaw na talaga akong tigilan.
Hindi na ako sa FSY. Hindi ko na ba nagamit ko? Ate!
Ano?
Yung mga sabon ko.
Wait lang, hinahati ko pa.
Akin na yan. Alis na ako mamaya oh.
Sandali lang.
Ano ba yan? Di kayo bumaba. Nagsisigawan kayo.
Yun na, pababa na.
I keep you close to me like the burning sun, shining bright, bright, bright. And you power me with love. I feel your energy flowing through my veins, and you fight, fight, fight every battle that I face. Oh, I'll never, never, never let you go. When I'm weak, I know you will make me stronger, stronger. When I'm beat, you carry me through troubled waters, waters. It's like every single time I feel like giving up, you fill me with your light and just say
Uy, ano yan? Ang galing. Best mo yan ah. Hindi, sino yan?
Dito ka rin?
Kilala,
Yun yung
yung
ano,
kasama
diba?
ko kay Beso eh.
Yung ano na yun siya.
Ano ba?
Yung ano no, yung Bible Stago. Nakakamiss yung pag-Christine.
Namilis ko na si Daddy.
Galing nga ng ano, tinuro sa amin. Ang dami ko natutunan talaga dito.
Uy, ang cute mo dito.
Lalo yung mga counselor dyan.
Okay.
Uy, kasama yung sobrang.
And I know I can do all things.
Through social media, I can share my testimony to my friends and family. I testify that using social media can help me or can help us to gather, to minister, and to share the gospel to other people. Natulungan ako ng social media para i-communicate ang aking mga kaibigan na naging inactive sa simbahan ng The Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints.
Proper usage of social media helps me to focus on positive. Social media helps me to grow and share my story to inspire others.
Social media can change life in a positive way.
Not long after, I got convinced. I met a lot of people. And also, my pinaka-poging counselor, Kuya Tor. During that event, marami akong natutunan sa kanila. Meron pa kaming isang activity na where we wear our very own missionary name tags. And that moment and that day changed my life. How is it today? That is why I want to share this story to you all. That sometimes we see social media as a bad thing, but we can use it to spread our stories, testimonies to inspire more people. And this is my story. My name is Allen Ryan Caparita. Thank you.
With so many social media resources and a multitude of more or less useful gadgets at our disposal, sharing the good news of the gospel is easier and the effects more far-reaching than ever before. Brothers and sisters, with the blessings of modern technology, we can express gratitude and joy about God's great plan for His children in a way that can be heard not only around our workplace, but around the world. If the countenance of Jesus Christ shines in our lives,
no matter where I go, I know I'm not alone. I feel my Savior there beside me. He leads me through the night. He's always been my guide. He promised He will never leave me. Though my burdens seem too much much to bear, He'll bless me. So whatever He commands, I will go and do. I will stand for